What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay. If you don't say that day, then you ain't part of the gang, man. Now. So, I got a couple packages, a couple things coming in the mail today. I don't know what's in what box. I think this one is the green screen. I'm gonna start doing some reactions and shit. Pass me knife. I don't want my yep, it's my green screen. Huh? Maybe you just don't stop working over here. Yep, this is my green screen. So I got a green screen for y'all boys, cause I'm gonna be doing some reactions, and y'all already know it's about to start busting. I'm gonna try to get some content every day if I can. You know, I work security, so I'll be getting off kind of late. I literally just got off. I walked through the door, started making this video. Whew. Just took off my vest and all that. Yeah. My green screen. Oh yeah. Let me see how it's bumming. It's the one that you took. Oh shit! God damn! God, good God Almighty! This one you hook on the back of your chair. This motherfucker big as hell. It's bigger than I thought it was. How do you fold this bitch back up? Like that. How do you fold this bitch back up? How do you fold this bitch back up? I don't know how to fold this bitch back up. Hold on. That motherfucker was twisted first. Like that. And then fold it over. God damn, this motherfucker strong. Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. Bow tie. Okay, it ain't gonna fold that way. So we're gonna do. Okay, fold it. Damn, how the fuck? Babe, how do you help? How the fuck? This motherfucker just fold it up. This motherfucker big as hell, ain't it?
What in the world?
It's a green. God, I done just knocked my picture off the wall.
It came in here?
Yeah.
I wish I was in here.
Look at the directions. Ain't no directions in that damn box.
Let me see it.
Let me grab this picture. Grab it. I gotta hang it. I done knocked my damn painting off the wall. I done knocked my damn painting off the wall. Match my furniture and the theme of my front room. Alright, I'm back, man. The camera died, so now we're gonna move on to the next box. I finally found out how to fucking put the damn shits back to the shits. Yeah. But yeah, green screen. I ordered my little brother one, but they sent me the money back because I guess I got his address wrong or something like that. So they went back and then they ended up putting the money back in my car. And I ordered his way before I even ordered mine. I ordered his for Christmas. And as of today, it's January 21st. So now I gotta order him another one. Bro, if you're watching this, I got you. I'm still gonna order your green screen. Yeah, next box. Let's see what's next box. Right, don't get my dress out there. Don't get my dress out there. Hey, don't get my dress out there. Color on the dress. Alright, let's see what's in here. I'll cut this one open. Boom. Got a couple things in here. Let's see what's in here. Alright, couple things in here. Boom. Oh, this is blow dry. This is for my baby. Here you go, back. Blow dry for you. But this is what we came for. Actually, hold on. Got a couple things here. This is the party decoration for my son. My son will be one. And my son will be one on the 31st of this month. And then that's the little things. Alright. This is what we came for. Bow! The motherfucking Mossberg side saddle for my Mossberg Shockwave. My Mossberg 5 Shockwave, yeah. And we're gonna be installing this motherfucker today. So stay tuned. Tactical.com, it's a lifetime warranty on it. It holds 6 12-gauge shells. It's made by, the material that it's made with is a matte black anodized 6061 aluminum and composite plastic. It's compatible with the Mossberg 500. the Mossberg 590, the Mossberg 835, the Mossberg 930, the Mossberg 935, and all Mossberg Shockwave models. Post 1997. Yeah, installed within a few minutes. With included 8 by 40 times 8 by 8 to 40 by 1/4 bolts. Includes Picatinny rail mount, side shadow, and shell carrying mount hardware. Yep. 12 gauge shaft. Yep. Alright, let's open the box. See what's all coming there. So far we got the Picatinny rail here, made out of aluminum. Pretty sturdy. Pick rail. Both sides. Then we have saddle here. It's made by a mixture of plastic and metal. So this outer part here is plastic. I mean, this outer part here is metal. So literally splits down the middle here. This side here that holds the shells is plastic. You can tell, but it's plastic, but it's a very hard like plastic. This side here is metal. You can actually feel the difference. But yeah, come with some mounting tools, which is 4 screws and 2 alley keys, and it comes with directions on how to install it. So it's a remove the screws from the top, put it on, line the screws up, and then install the 4 Torx bits. Alright, it's clear, nothing in the magazine, and the tube, and nothing in the chamber. Y'all can see that. Boom, boom. Yeah, so we're gonna install this. I'm gonna put this thing on safety first. It is on safety. When you don't see the red dot, it's safety. Off safety, red dot. On safety, no red dot. So I got some of the threads out. They were Loctited with red Loctite into the holes at the top. These are the holes at the top that it should be 4 of them that I'm gonna put the saddle onto. Scuff my gun up a little bit, but it's alright. You know, gonna take a little beating here and there. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you the these are the original bolts. I mean screws that were in there, and these are the screws that we're gonna use to put the saddle on. They're like a little hex screw. These are like a little flathead, and these are like a little hex screw. So, yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do, we got the Mossberg Shockwave here, we got the Picatinny rail here, and then we got the shell holder here, and 2 outer ratchets and all the stuff that come with it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the Mossberg here, then we're gonna take the side saddle. Gonna line the hose up. So we're gonna find them holes, line it up. Here we go. About right there. I say yeah, right there. Boom. So we're gonna line the hose up there. As you can see over there, if you look down into those holes, we got 2 holes lined up right there and 2 holes lined up right there. Then we're gonna take that pick rail. We're gonna slide it right on top of here. Boom. Get your hose lined up. Then we're just gonna hand feed some of these screws in just to lock everything in place. So we don't move too much. I'm gonna take that hex screw there, and we're gonna screw it in. So screw the first one in. Then you're gonna screw the last one in back here. So keep it lined up. Then the middle one should go straight in. Yeah. I'm gonna to hand tighten them so it don't impede on anything. How the gun working. I don't want to over tighten it. You guys see, I did not add any Loctite on the screws because I want to have the ability to remove this when I so please. I don't want to Loctite it in, so I'm gonna add some other attachments on here also. I got some other things in store for you guys. Yeah. Check that up right there. That screw. Boom. Double check those screws. Boom. Give them good hand tighten on all. Boom. And boom. Then I got one extra screw. Actually, didn't even know I had it. But yeah, this is the Mossberg side shutter. Yeah. And now I'm gonna get some shells and everything, so I can show you how it look. Actually, I think I have some shells over here. Got about 5 of them. This is the small one, so it just take 5 shells. These are slugs. Got the slugs on the side there. Got 5 of them. These were in the gun. Yeah, I got 5 slugs there. That's the Mossberg Shockwave. The side saddle. This thing look gorgeous, man. Got the slugs there. I also have some buckshot. I don't know. I'll probably run some buckshot on the side, some slugs in it, or some, either or. They all shoot the same. Well, they don't shoot the same, but they all go take down the target. Yeah. Mossberg Shockwave side saddle.